Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Klover's financial education resources. So these resources provide a simple and effective way to learn about personal finance, and that's pretty useful to have. And here's a step-by-step guide on how to access and make use of that. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Klover account. You can log in on the mobile app, or you can log in on the website. And once you're logged in, you want to just click on financial education, and then you want to select view resources. So here you can view Klover's financial education resources, including articles, videos, and webinars. Here you can also learn about personal financial topics, including budgeting, savings, and investment. So you can use this to really boost your financial intelligence. And you can take quizzes and assessments to test the knowledge that you've acquired from the education resources. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Klover's financial education resource. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.